Okay, I found this really old Trane. It says Trane right here. The model number is RAUC-506-C. Serial number is 77L-15227. Can't find a day of manufacture on here. This thing's really old. Probably from before they bought GE's line. But I don't think this thing's in use anymore. I mean, look at this. The back panel's been off. Not sure if it's in use anymore, unfortunately, like I said. This thing's really old. I'm surprised I found it. I'm gonna look again for a date of manufacture. Doesn't look like it has one. So yeah, a very old Trane air conditioner that I believe may be no longer in use. Over and out.